And it starts off like this. This is a template. You're lucky I'm writing your speech for you. And I'm going to teach you how to do a pepeha. E ngā mana, e ngā reo, e ngā mātā waka o ngā hau e pā o te motu. Kei kōrero mai. E ngā mana, e ngā reo, e ngā mātā waka o ngā hau e pā o te motu. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Okay, don't overthink the English. People go, oh, what does that mean? What does it? Don't worry about the translation. Don't overthink it. Just listen and say it. Okay, but if you must know, there is a translation there underneath. I'm not going to go through the translations. You're here to learn Māori, not English. So here's the pepeha that follows the introduction. Ko tongariro te maunga, ko taupo te moana, ko Ngāti Tūwhare toa te iwi, ko te arawa te waka. So there's the translation. Tongariro is the mountain, taupo is the lake, Ngāti Tūwhare toa are the tribe, and the waka or canoe is te arawa. So that's an example. I just use that as an example of a pepeha. So wherever you might live or wherever you might associate with, it's very important to research who the waka, who the iwi is if you are not Māori. If you are Māori, please make an effort to go and research your own whakapapa and find out what your maunga is, what your awa is, who your iwi is, and who your hapu are. And you can use this as a template. This particular example I'm giving to you as a template for your own whakapapa whānau.